No, I'm with me and Danger. Remember, say everybody have them own big woman. Want to understand? Uno can live for me. When I want to ask, you know, say, Uno live with a life for me, and just worry about me. So everything all over there, dream, Uno start put me up. Me not look pound over there. Because me no want nobody send me nothing neither. Me a big woman and Danger a big woman. Me and God do that. Everybody have their own personality. Me can work with somebody and then me stop work with them. And it can happen over and over and again. So I'm not going to have only for other people for put on the list. Me never tell you, not go like say me a Danger. They did latch on. Me and I never latch on. Only know Danger one I'm a big bad dancer. But yeah. Anything happens and people move on all the time.
Life goes on.
And life goes on too. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. What's up, my queen? Spice, remember the first time you performed in Tivoli? From a long time. Remember saying I just know years and years. So a lot of people see the glory, but them don't know the story. Remember one time I one pair of shoes me did have.
You want party initiative or something?
I know, I have what I can't remember. Straight out of Montego Bay. My baby big up on yourself when you need to stop the whole heap of fuckery. We are going down there. The crime have to cut down the Moby. Come on, remember the Moby at the place where we, you get me? It's really sad what's happening. But I wish you all the best, guys. You need to stay safe. Let me see that bag if you got it. Stop, can't fit your pocket. See that bag if you got it. Stop, can't fit your... Look at me, I'm flashy, yeah? Gucci, Versace. Drop this ass, I drive him crazy. Ain't no or I ain't that trashy. You don't like me? Me no give a blood clot. Dash money make it stuck in your face like what? Want check out what's your money shot? I don't mean me have what you want. VIP, I get acid Speroni on my... Don't forget, click the link in my bio. PR Girl Angel. Big up yourself. But oh yeah, come in, are you right here with me?
I didn't mean to do that. I was trying to...
Oh, come to Haiti.
Ooh.
I think my friend here is from Haiti.
My family's from Haiti.
Her family's from Haiti. Don't go back on fire.
Nice,
yeah, la. Alright, come now, come. Because that's how I can't go for life, you know. When I not ask me nothing for me talk the things them, why me have to fly go Jamaica to see us some fest? You need to come to North Carolina. Spicy cute. Thank you so much. Where do you find your makeup artist in Jamaica? I would like to see more natural. My makeup artist in Jamaica, her name is Makeup by Cassie Makeup. Makeup by Cass. Make up your mind. That's her IG name. Yeah, Cassie, that's her IG name. Make up your mind. You can find her on Instagram. My makeup is done today in Miami by Nosworthy, of course. I bought a duffel bag because of you. That's good. And make sure you full it up on money. Yeah. That we are dealing with this year. We're not worried about people and them will have a problem with them I deal with. And what people think about you. And that's what you're worried about this year. You're all about that bag and making that money. That's what's up. Yeah. Tour going good as usual. You know my style already. Make the people them where them come out for. Cause some of the artists are collect the people them money on the boring the blood clot past stage. You know just collect the people them money on the stand up one place and stiff like board. Remember me know if you do the boom flick and the wine and the something them. And me go all the silver, everything out on the money. No change, no left. What do you think about I can't all the questions them I move fast and help me read them now? I can't get to read the questions. More money we say, yeah, this and that we are deal with. We don't worry about people and what them think about we. Gum is out, so we have to remember that.
Hello?
Remember to check out my new song. Gum. Gum, the gum, the gum. The glue, the gum. Me have the gum, the gum, the gum. The glue, the gum. Speroni, yeah. Sperone Muscat are the #1 bottle in Jamaica. Just log on for my life. So big up Sperone. You know that's what you're supposed to be drinking like in the day and the Sunday. Easy and breezy with a nice bottle of Sperone. What's your favorite bottle from Sperone? Because you know Sperone are the #1 bottle. And for the guys, don't forget to enter that competition. Make your video. It not to be 1 minute long. Because I know some man are good at shy. And some man are good at not even want to know woman see when I make video. So go have dinner date with Spice.
You like it, Spice?
So, I know someone never in a problem. I love you too. Speroni page is on Instagram. Oh, like us Speroni they on live now. The whole I don't know where kill me for your buckle when you don't see me. Them they on live when you need to tag them now. So them can stress. Oh no. Instead of every time when you see me, when I act like me at the buckle the factory. Can I get a bottle of Speroni? Can I get a bottle of Speroni? Speroni's on live right now. Can you ask for that bottle that you've been stressing before? Oh my God. I love you too.
You have my email. You can just send it. It's going to be.
Well, look, I'm like Speroni just busting a bubble. Because I didn't want to talk about all the things I'm going bad, but you know, I have to be that brand ambassador. So I'm going to be nice and calm. How you doing, guys? Well, I was already nice and I was behaving on myself. So how is everybody doing today in the Sunday? Speroni is available at local supermarkets and wholesale island-wide. Don't you hear that? So you can grab your bottles quick and fast. I know you all love it. Stop at any wholesale, supermarket, and yeah, it's all over Jamaica. You can find it. Yep, I love your hair. Thank you so much. Beautiful teeth. Yeah, I'ma brush them. I brush them. Thank you. You and Nikki need to do a collab, Queen. Thank you. All right, so I'm in South Beach. I'm in Miami. I'm getting ready for a video shoot. I'm on set. You know, answer no question. Ask me about the question, Golden. What's the question? Let me take time and look and read. Remember, I'm not used to the live stuff. My eyes are so red. Nikisha Mason. All right, so what's the question? See, me I read, me not see no question. Me just say, your blue hair looks nice. I love you. You look good. Team blue. There's no question. So, all that question, I say, me not answer the question. So, don't get trouble, man. All right, Speroni said, go and see him wear Queen. We love you for you. All right, then, from Speroni said, if I talk the things, them, I go talk the things, them. For somehow they down there. Yeah, I remember me not telling the son, I lie down in the bed, I'm lazy, I don't know, I get up and go look work. Every time when you see me, I tell me, say, nothing now, go on. I mean, never know, say, money band with foot. You hear me, money band. Yeah, when are you doing? You see that, me can't, when is Gum video coming out? You and Carter need a next collab. Gum video soon drop. Extreme Arts step on live right now. So I need to come tell you about that Gum video there. Yeah, guys, I come out soon, quick and fast. I remember my new song TikTok is out too. Yeah, when are you coming to Italy? I just left Italy last couple months ago. Guyana, remember Guyana, I'm a place, so I soon come there, so don't worry yourself. When are you going to drop something with Foxy? Who this I laugh now? I'm going to...
I'm coming right back.
Spice, I like your hair. Thank you very much, Trisha. Thank you. Speroni, big up on yourself. Number one back in Jamaica. Answer me now, but I never see a question. Everything I go up so fast. I didn't see the question. Where do you get your energy from? Drink a bottle of Speroni and go on with myself. It come natural after that. Remember, I'm not add on or take it. But what a lot of people don't know is that the talent that I have is natural. So it's not like me I tried to do this. I was born to do it. I was born to do this. I've been doing this since I was a child. So it's not like me I try and me I put on a show. Me just naturally stay so. So the energy just come natural. Even if I'm having a bad day, I'm there stage show, none of you can never look and say, boy, I'm going to go a Spice show and I can see say. Because from I get the mic, I just basically, I'm metamorphosized into this person that sometimes I myself don't even know. Because a lot of you don't know that the Spice that you may know is not Grace. I'm a total different person. So I just put on a show and I go up on stage and go out with myself. Sometimes I watch back my video and I dip on skin out my pum pum. And I'm like, did I do that? But yeah, my energy does come natural. I was born this way. When are you coming to Antigua? I'm not sure. I need to ask Roy Alexander that. Want my number? I like your hair. Cynthia Lumsey, big up yourself on this hair. Yeah. Me see the question them. Angel, you have to help me because them say me I look over the questions. I'll be in St. Kitts soon. When you come into DC. How do you manage the stage?
And being a mother.
Being a mom is hard for me sometimes when I leave my kids, especially when they're crying or when they're like, Mommy, when are you coming home? I get teary-eyed and I feel like, you know, I'm not there for them. But the strength, Stacey, I find on the watch, you know what that means? Time ago. Time ago. My strength just comes from my past because I know where I come from. You know one of them one day where you don't want your kids to go through what you've been through as a child? Because I've been through it. Like, I've been there. Like, I'm telling you, I've been there.
What do you got cooking in the studio?
I have a lot of things cooking. Like, a lot of things cooking. Yeah, so my strength just come from there. I just want my kids to have a good life. I didn't have a good life growing up as a child, and I want to give them a good life. So that's where my strength comes from. So I keep working so I can give them the opportunity that I never have. North Carolina, la la la. Me I go left for now. Is there anything I should talk about? Duffel bag is out. Gum is out. TikTok is out. Click the link in my bio, and the new video is out. Like, go watch it. Duffel bag. That me I deal with right now. I'm all about the money. I'm just have to leave on the way. Get up and go for that money. Stop talking about nothing now. Go on. Make it up. Make it go on. Remember, say money not have foot. Money now go walk and come to you. So get up and go out there and look at this year. That me I deal with. Straight money me I deal with. So when you sit down at your yard and feel like if you make a comment and talk about my blue ear, it matter me? Girl. It don't matter me. I'm looking about my bag. So let me see that bag if you got it. Stocks can fit your pocket. See that bag if you got it. That me I deal with. Money me I deal with this year. Straight. You're amazing. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. No matter what they throw at me. Strong black woman. Nah, give up. I'm not stop. And I'm saying, don't give up. Keep going. Let's knock him out this year. Alright? I'll be back next time when watch I eat now. It don't matter me. Kim Possible! Listen, big up myself, Kim Possible, because you're one girl with always support Brand Spice. Remember say you're one younger person who follow up on Instagram? And that's because, let me talk about something before we go. Stacey, just give me a minute and I stop paying on the watch. Kim Possible, let me talk about you. You know why you're a real girl to the thing? Remember, say me start following you before me even meet you in person. Because a lot of people don't know that me's a IG tete. I'm going to relax. I regularly go up on some people page and see some people attack things. I'm a black and cement and sun. I want to go over other people's page and about, oh my God, I love Spice so much. I wonder why she blocked me. No, girl. You don't love me. Remember me go over one page, over one part, and me see her talk the things them. And you don't know, say me see her talk the things them. That's why me block you. But you see, Kim Possible, you're a real girl. Remember me go over one place, over one part, and see her talk the right things them. And me say, yeah, that girl, you're not idiot, you're a good girl. That's why I follow you from day one. And that's why to this day, you're one girl, and me still a follow Kim Possible. You hear me, I have to big you up. I remember me follow you from before me even meet you. Because me say you're a real girl. I'm like a look of style, you look of swag. And just start the things that make me laugh sometimes. Yes, so big up yourself, Kim. And some of you look fickle fans. And somebody says something about you, jump on it. You don't never know how nothing to go. When you jump and start like what you don't never know if me and danger not talk up till now, you know. Because me no come out and say nothing. When you hear, alright, she not dance with Team Spice, so what that mean? She not have you dance with Team Spice? So, when you take it up around with it, I don't have all of this to say. That's why I black so much on and cement on it too, and go on sand, and gravel, and steel. So all I know all this talk about, Spice block me. I wonder why she block me. Me go tell you why me block her. Because me go over one page and soon I comment. But guess what? Sometimes I know all I want to make the comments, you know. But you don't like the comments. Somebody make something bad, one bad comment about me. Oh no, click like. So me block her. Oh God. Yeah. So all I will love ask about, I wonder why she blocked me. Me go over the page and go see when I click like. Sometimes it's just go out with a duffel bag thing. Then we laugh, Kim Possible. Pick up myself, Kim, love you know. Yeah, I have to leave. And the little check. Yeah. Black and cement and sand and steel, you know. I love you guys. Happy Sunday. I wish I had more time. Come in and go out with myself, you know. Speroni! #1 buckling at Jamaica. I love all of you guys. Big up on yourself. Cool booking agent. Big up yourself. You can go out with yourself. Remember, you have an only booking agent. Official. I'm going to tell you. Cool booking agent. Big up yourself, Ray. Alright, Speroni, big up yourself. Cheers. #1 buckle. Everybody on the live, yeah. Big up on yourself. I have a shoot, and my team is just waiting patiently. So I gotta go. Robot wine at the robot wine. Boom, pan the body cock up your behind. Robot wine at the robot wine. Him have to come back again, big up your goal. Robot wine at the robot wine. Boom, pan it, cock up your behind. Robot wine at the robot wine. The man could have big like, him up, boom, clean, well shaved like me go a barber, big up your... What again now?
Cynthia.
I love Cynthia Lumsey, big up yourself. Yes, girl, I like this here.
Yeah, so fun. Yeah.
TikTok. Big up my song Gum, you know. I need to know if you check out that new song, then big up TikTok. Remember Gum, me I represent for the girl them. Cause some are not going like so, no can use the mouth and take with the man them. So me have to represent for the girl them. So I have to pick on a choice. Pick on a choice. Gum the gum the gum. Me have the gum the gum the gum. Boom, pack up and every. Alright then. I love you guys. Tick to the top. Boom, boom, the slack. Tick, tick, tock. Yeah. Remember on a stage show. I'm going to my video shoot. I love you guys. Mwah. Later when I come back on the life, I talk the real things them. When Speroni asleep. I have to wait till them gone at them bed. When Speroni in their life, I can talk the things them. That's when I can chat the things them. Because you have some dirty people in that business. I want to leg on my mouth pan them, you see. I want to leg on my mouth pan them. But I have to hold it until Sunday, Monday, I have to come back pan it. So I see you guys tomorrow.
Happy birthday.